In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone with a few troubleshooting steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then, scroll down further and tap on VPN and Device Management. Sometimes, a VPN can cause Wi-Fi problems, so make sure any active VPN is turned off. You can also delete them if necessary. Next, try connecting to Wi-Fi again and see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, go back to Privacy and Security in Settings, then tap on Location Services. Scroll down to System Services and turn off Networking and Wireless. Confirm your decision. Now, let's perform a restart. Press the Volume Up button, followed by the Volume Down button, and then hold the Side Power button. Keep holding until your screen goes black. Release the button when you see the Apple logo. After your phone restarts, go back to Settings, then to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, go to System Services, and turn on Networking and Wireless. Now, return to your Wi-Fi settings and switch it back on. Your Wi-Fi should now work and you should be able to connect without any issues.